Hello, my name is Gianna. Today I have made a speed diffuser project. Uh, this is the driver gear, this is the driven gear. If I will
Why
on
it
it,
is driver gear?
mm, because it is connected with the motor. And if I on this will be very slow speed. And if I change over here the if I put over here the driven drive, if I put this big yellow gear over here, this will work very fast. Yeah, so I have done. See, now I have do this big yellow one is the driver gear, this is the driven gear. Now if I will on, this will work very fast. See, this will. And thank you.